Hello everyone, I am back. It has been over a week since I have last streamed and I am truly sorry for that. I was yet Friday and yesterday were awful times for me. I was doing a lot of work as school was winding down for winter or for Christmas for the holidays and last Saturday or Sunday I was looking through some of the code that I wanted to write and it just wasn't going to work because I was actually looking at how to like make HTTP requests. So today we're going to figure out how to make an HTTP server, and no, we can't just use the code that we wrote in the HTTP server in Python tutorial. We're going to have to actually eject our app from Expo, and I'll explain a bit more of that in a little bit. And then we'll have to add a couple of packages and do some more there. But for now, so the way React or the way Expo, at least Expo works, is Expo is like a shell around React Native, and it makes it a lot easier to just write your code once and develop it. Now we're going to be ejecting it out of that shell so we can add more native packages that will allow us to work closer with the actual operating systems themselves. So the first thing we're going to go ahead and do is we are in the IDE, and we're going to go into the terminal and go to the directory where the project is. So, and the thing we're going to type is expo eject, like so. And we want to go into a bare React Native project. I tried doing it with Expo Kit, but it really wasn't working. But yeah, throughout the week I've been testing this. I spent a couple hours with this, and I was not going to stream that. There was no way I was going to. This info doesn't really matter. Okay, and now this is going to take a while. While this is loading, I actually was browsing Twitter earlier today, and I found some of the best tweets I have found in a while. Neil deGrasse Tyson, 2 days ago, tweets, "You can kiss yourself in the mirror, but only on the lips." Now, that in itself makes sense, because if you move your head down to kiss yourself anywhere else, you're only going to kiss your lips again. But just the fact that he tweeted this is quite astonishing. You see, people on Twitter are just really, really amazing. And then right below that, of course, Elon Musk with his his literal meme-filled Twitter account says he doesn't do any investing. And yeah, so that's just something that I was looking at before this, and I found that. Okay, so now that we have done this, we just want to, before running out, blah, blah, blah. So what we're going to do now is so when we ejected this, it essentially created packages that we can use to run it on Android and iOS devices. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my emulator right now. So Android Studio. And yeah, this is what I was testing with. I made a copy directory and I was trying to test it, but it was Right, close project. I'm going to go into configure AVD manager, and I'm going to run this. So after this, we are going to, I think this is from testing, but so you're actually going to need Android Studio if you want to run this on your Android phone. So I put a link to the installation video, so the first video in this series where we installed Android Studio along with the emulator. So if you're doing this on an Android, you might want to, you should probably install Android Studio, because that's the way we're gonna run it. You're not going to be installing Android Studio for the emulator. We'll be installing it so we can actually just run the thing. Because the way it works is we'll actually start our Metro server in Visual Studio Code, and then that will send the code through Android Studio to the phone. So yeah. So the first thing we have to do once we have ejected this app is go into our Android directory. So cd Android. I can't type. And we're going to do Gradle W clean. And this will clean up some of the directory. And this is also going to take a while because it needs to start the Gradle daemon. And that'll take a while. Actually, no, that didn't take too long. Okay, so in Android Studio, we're now going to open up the project. So I have my project in my C drive. So just go into C or wherever you have it. Go to that directory. Go into, if you have it structured like I do, go into Mobile, and then Password Vault, and then Android, and just double click Android, and it'll open up that project in right? I want to open it up in Android. Okay. All right, so click OK for Android, and then this will actually build the project with Gradle. So this is also going to take a little bit. Well, anyway, hope you guys are doing well today. This week was a grind just to finish out. I had 2 essays due this week. I had a math test due at some point, and then it's something else. But now I'm on break for 2 weeks, which is pretty nice. So you're going to see here that the Expo packages are still here. Like Expo File System and Expo Crypto, those are packages that we installed. So this is good because when we inject it into a React Native Bear project, we still have access to our Expo packages, meaning we don't have to rewrite any of the code there. So that is all good. So now that we have the project built, we're going to have to run the project server. So we can go ahead and do npm, I believe it's just npm run Android. And alright, so it's going to start this. Oh, I guess we don't need Android Studio? Do we? I don't know if we do actually. Well, let's see how this works. So I have the thing open right here, and we'll see how this ends up working. So yeah, I might end up streaming again tonight. That's a low possibility though, just because I got to get this project moving because it's due in about a week and a half. But the thing is, I'm only planning to get basic functionality. Oh, okay, we don't need it, Android Studio. Never mind. But oh, we do need, yeah, all right. So we have to actually run this Metro server, like I said. So to run this command, we actually have to install React Native globally. I'll talk about what I was talking about once this is loading. But so we have to, because React Native is now going to be used as like a command subject. So we just have to install it globally as an npm package, so it'll recognize that command. So we're gonna do npm install -g and then react-native, like so. But yeah, so I might stream tonight because this thing is due in a week and a half. I'm not planning to have it completely finished by then. I want to have a basic functionality by then because then I can turn in like an application that achieves the original purpose by then, but it won't be polished or anything. So that'll come after, and I'll still be streaming this project in the meantime, and after it's due, so we can actually polish it and improve the functionality. Okay, so now that we have this React Native installed globally, we're going to go ahead and do react-native start. So we're going to start the Metro server, and when you get this blue info code right here, now we can go into Android Studio. Let me just close out of this. No, not that. This. Or you actually need to see loading. You need to see this done message here. And then we're actually just going to run this through Android Studio. So you do need Android Studio. I reversed my opinion twice there. It's nice. Don't worry about it. Okay. Build failed. All right. Let's see what's wrong. Oh, I know what's wrong. I ran into this problem several times. So we actually need to modify one of the lines in Android manifest.xml. So in Android Studio, I'm sorry if you're on iOS, I have no clue to do that, but in Android Studio, go into App and then Manifests, and then double-click Android manifest.xml. And we need to add a property. So in the application element, at the bottom of or after Android :theme, we're gonna add a property that says Android uses clear text traffic, and set it to true, like so. And then we can rerun this, and hopefully it'll work. Oh wait, no, it's gonna break because this isn't running. So make sure that your server is always running. 2K files, Jesus Christ. Let me just close out of that because that's gonna. So make sure your server is always running. It always has to be running. Let's see, error. What is wrong here? Alright, whatever, I'm just gonna try and run it again. Alright, and loading. Okay, at least we got something. Okay, so development server returned response error code. Alright, so this has to be finished then. Let me try restarting the server. Alright, so just a React-native start, enter, close out of the app, wait for this to finish. Alright, now that's done, and we're going to go back into Android Studio, run the app, and wait a couple seconds. Yeah, this is the hardest part about it, because with Expo there was hot reload, but now we're going to have to... Oh, great. I actually did not get this error at all. I don't know why. Unable to resolve module warned once. Could not be found within the project. If you are sure the module exists. Delete node modules. Remove the cache. That might be it. But I don't know. I don't want to do anything wrong, so I'm just going to look this up. You know, as you do. I also wanted to start this soundtrack just because it's nice and... Okay. Right, unable to resolve blah blah blah. Same issue. Let's see what it says here. Oh, did I may not... What did I didn't do something. Oh, that's right, I never set the package name, so We actually have to do that. Hold on. Expo eject. Alright, so let me see what, so bundle item. Okay, so in app.json, so in our base folder, we have to go into iOS and do a comma and then bundle identifier, and that's going to be set to just the package name. I'm going to do com.michael.greco.pwd-default, and then we also have to have an Android thing, so after iOS do Android, colon, and then in brackets, and it's going to be package, and I'm just going to say package, it'll just be com.michaelgreco.pwd-default. Hopefully this works. Alright, so I'm going to restart the server. Alright, so that's done. Start the app. So start that. Alright, same, nothing changed. Okay. So that wasn't the fix, but I think that was necessary. npm. I don't have no clue what's going on. This is very annoying. Maybe I should clean it again. No, that might be it. So, let's see. Oh, you know why? Because I'm in Android. But let me just clean it. God damn it. So let me just clean this guy. So Gradle W. So I've actually been working on another project recently. It's like a graphing calculator. I was learning how to do I forget what the algorithm was called, but it was something yard algorithm, and it was pretty fun. So, I was up until like 4 a.m. on Friday night, and I was just loading it from Python and JavaScript. I got a pretty nice demo on the web. I might show it later, but that'll probably be a project after this one. We'll work on chunking yard algorithm. Yeah. Okay, so it's cleaned it, and now let's run the server again. So yeah, I've got cleaned it. I don't think this is a command, but we'll see. Nope. Alright, react-native start. Okay. Alright, so let's let this load more. This is really fun to let this load so many times. Alright, so we'll stop this and we'll run it again. Alright, and it is moving. I don't know why this is so complicated. Like, this is like honestly a lot. Oh, great. Oh, great. All right. Nothing changed. Son of a bitch. Do I have... I might try this command right here. So let me... I'll paste it and then I'll type it out. Okay. So the command is... So stop the batch. So it's react-native space bundle space dash platform android dash dev false dash entry dash file index.js dash bundle dash output android slash app slash source slash main slash assets slash index.android.bundle dash assets dash dest, and it's just going to be space android slash app slash source slash main slash res. Alright. I'm actually just going to put this in so I'll let that run. I'm going to put this into the video description. Hold on a second. So it's about 20 minutes. Save. So now it should be in the video description. So there was actually an error. Right. So I don't know if you want to do that though. So that's the so I had it working for like 2 seconds. That's the thing. Like over the week when I tried this, I had it working like past this login screen. I was able to save passwords. That was it. I was fine with that because at least it started. That. Facebook locked is resolved. Which one is resolved? Never know. This is. Yes, I don't think we're not gonna be doing much coding today. I hope you guys have figured that out so far, but maybe we'll get to something, but who knows? All right. Son of a bitch. Alright, at least, alright, so development server returned error code 500. Now what does this say? Unable to resolve. Alright, should I try installing Warn once? Yeah, I'll try that. So stop the server CLS and then npm install warn once. No. Unable to resolve, blah 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 blah. Do I have to be an Android? No, I don't. Alright, Alright, so born once isn't and it's not an npm package. Let me just fix something, because that command that I'm just gonna get rid of it because it was useless. Let's save that. Okay. Maybe this might be it. Airplane one, yeah, that's trying to physical blah 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 blah. So we should be getting a bundling Android that, but it's not. React Native start blah blah blah. Press twice the R key. Alright, maybe I don't need to do it through Android Studio. Let me see. Alright, so React-Native start. Oh, that's a nice crack. Okay. So this answer is telling us to press R twice to run it on the emulator. But is that a thing? There's nothing. I can't really type anything. Alright, so that isn't working, obviously. So close running packager, run React Native link. Do I need to? All right. So what's the What's the specific package? All right. So it said not there. It was. What was the package? Warn once. Right. So node modules, and I'm gonna go all the way down to W. And yeah, it doesn't exist. I don't know where it should exist. That's the thing. Hold on. Warn once React. Let's see. No, I just clicked on that. I'm really smart, guys. Don't worry. Oh, blacklist. Look at that. Add resolver in module.exports. All right. So let's see what this is. All right. So module.exports in your metro.config.js. All right, so in the metro-config package, we're heading back there. So metro-config and then source index.js. Yes, okay. Wait, no. Source defaults blacklist. Metro.config.js. I don't know. Is that a file? Index.js. Oh, that's good. Oh. I'm more tired than I should be. I got a lot of sleep last night. Oh great, I gotta scroll all the way up. Alright, load config. Nope. Index.js. No. I mean, I guess I could just paste it in and see if that works. Alright, so in index.js. Sorry, god damn it! The one thing I don't like about Visual Studio Code is like the file tree. It's not too good. Alright, so in module.exports, in metro-config/source/index.js, I'm going to add the element to module.exports called resolver. And it's just going to be a dictionary. Blacklist RE is blacklist. And then pass in an array that just slash node underscore modules // .star // node underscore modules / react -native // .star /. Okay. Hopefully this works. React native start. Alright, and just need to wait for this to finish. Alright, so let's load that. Running it. Alright, nothing changed. Great. I'm really happy. God damn it! Why is this so annoying? Alright, I'm not gonna touch metro-config. I'm just gonna... I don't want to mess any of it up. Let's see that. Alright, so I'm going to run a server, React Native start, one terminal window, and then another terminal window. I'm going to go ahead and say, so I'm just going to go into the product directory, so pass it, and I'm going to go ahead and do npm run int. This also stopped. Son of... God damn it! This is so annoying. Oh my god. Alright, so that's not gonna work. This is very, very just annoying and difficult. Can't find module warn once. Maybe this isn't? No. Oh, shit. I'm Oh, great. Page not found. Restart the system. I don't want to do that. I'm not really in the mood to do that. But maybe that might be the issue. But I mean, I guess I could restart it and I'm pretty sure this will stay online, this stream. But I don't, does that just work? I'll see if there's another way to do it. This was working with me. I don't know why it's not working right now. They link back to each other. What the fuck is this? They just link to each other. What is that shit? Alright, so I tried that. That's not working. Alright, maybe let me try doing React. That's what they're trying to say. They're saying NPX React. Oh, NPX is a thing. Oh, okay, so NPX run input. Let me try that. Not found. What? You say that? Oh, npx react -native run -android. Ooh, this might do it. And it's definitely not going to. I'm not getting my hopes up. Swear to God if it does. Nope. Wait. I mean, that's okay. So let's start the server in another tab. So react-native start. Let that finish. Alright, so let's run that, and then we'll have to just rerun this command. What the heck? What the heck is Watchman? I mean, Watchman. Watch Dell. Yeah, I don't know what the hell Watchman is. I don't feel like installing anything else on my computer. Reset Metro's cache. So yarn start. Yeah, yarn is neither. Oh my god. Just stop the terminal when it does execute. Metro and execute. Oh. So, how do I get yarn? How to get yarn? That's a path. Alright, so npm install -d g yarn. Alright, now we'll do what is it? Yarn start. Alright. Yarn start -- reset -cache. Great. Error. Wonderful. Oh frick. Okay. Invalid regular. Son of a bitch. Invalid regular expression where though? Where is it? That's what I want to find. Where is this? Maybe yarn. Yarn is globally, so. Oh my god. Oh, there's yarn global. Never mind. That's what we did last time. Oh, you know what? I know exactly where this is. So we installed React Native globally, but that stupid command is still invalid. So what you need to do is go to wherever npm installs packages locally or globally. For me, it's in my app data folder, so my user app data folder, and then local. No, it's roaming. I think, and yeah, roaming npm node modules, and then React-native, and then node modules, and then go all the way down to metro-config, like we did in the first video. Source defaults blacklist.js, but it hasn't. Great. Why are the packages? Why are the packages themselves that have the shit? Like, oh my god. Am I gonna go on Reddit? Really? Measure default blacklist. I mean, it says the same thing. So I mean, maybe you'll check if it's misspelled or misdone here. Oh my god, this is ridiculous. Alright, so make sure that there's the back in metro-config. Make sure that you have the backslashes everywhere. Like everywhere where it's been installed. Loading dependency graph. And then, so we'll let this run. Alright, so it's done. Now go into your other command prompt and run the npx command. So npx react native run android. JS server already running. Please do it. Just please. Just please do it. Oh my god. It's not working. There's no way it works. Wait. Oh my god, it worked. Boys, it worked. The gods have shown their freaking light upon us. Oh my god. Alright, I'm gonna put this timestamp down. Hold the phone a second. I'm gonna put this timestamp down. Where are we right now? 47 minutes. So I'm gonna put down starts finally get app running at 46 minutes. So people don't have to sit through 46 minutes of me screaming and crying. Oh my god, why was that the problem? Why? Why do the packages come wrong? Alright, let's just make sure this works right. So, alright, so enter a password, create account. Now let's actually, so let's just test to see if it'll read the password. So let's run it again. Let me make sure the server is still running. Okay. This is legendary. I'm gonna start boosting this Minecraft music. Alright, log in. It worked! Okay, so now let's go to create credentials, and I'm just gonna do, you know, your Lego. Like that. And I'm just gonna put in my password. Add credentials. Okay. That is fine. That is okay. Right, encrypt. Now. Alright, the global might not be working then. Key.length. Yeah, I don't think so. So the key, this is looking at encrypting the Visionaire cipher thing. So when we pass in credentials, is it? Create credentials, and then we want to go ahead and encrypt it. Is that in here somewhere? Credentials view. Hold on. Alright. Submit. Okay, so it encrypts it and then writes. So I think that the encrypt, that global.pw is not. Alright. So yeah, I think the global isn't working. So I need to find an alternative. So bear react native application global state and react native. Let's see. Import global. I usually create a global.js containing stuff. Let's not do that. Oh, I know exactly what song this is. This is freaking Death. Where is it? There we go. C418 Death. He's literally just fucking killing a bird, a chicken. Listen to it. Listen. See that? God damn it. Global. Alright, so global should be running, right? Yeah, global should be okay. I don't know why it's not, I mean, maybe let me try this. Alright. So let's go into app.js. And we'll set a nice global variable in the constructor. So we'll do global.test is equal to test global. And then in, let me turn this down a bit. And then in account, so the login, because that's, we can do that because it needs some password. So in the login, I'm going to create a text element, and all it's going to have is just global.pw or .test. So this is automatically, it automatically runs. Hold on, let me try this. Or do I have to rerun it? Reload. There we go. Alright. Test global. Alright, so the global does work. Let me try something else now. Alright, so get rid of global test. And get rid of this. So now let's go to dashboard. And I'm just going to put a text element somewhere. Right here. And I'll just put the password just to see if it works. So global.pw. So this is what I'm doing right now is I'm just trying to figure out what the error is. Right. I don't care about that. Don't care about that. Don't care about that. Don't care about that. Where's Expo? Do I need to rerun this? Are you kidding? I need to rerun this? How do I reload? Is there a way to reload it? Because this is gonna get annoying. Oh, that's an emulator thing. I don't know what I was doing there. Hold on, let me see this. React Native Reload app. Enable hot reloading. Control M. So Control M. Enable hot reloading. Okay. Oh. Login. Let's see, dashboard, and let's do PW. Alright, so it's not finding a global variable. What does it set the read data alert, blah blah blah. PW read data. Global dot. Do I just not set the password? Oh, hold on. Alright, so when we press the button to log in, so press button, submit PW, if digest is equal to content, read data text. So read data PW. Oh, I'm an idiot. Because I don't actually set the stupid password, right? Global.pw is equal to PW. Alright, so the error was not reading the password in there. Alright, so how do I reload? Alright, login. It works! Sorry, good, nice. Alright, so now if I just get rid of that test on dashboard. Oh, okay, so it hot loads. Oh! That is nice, so I don't have to log in every time. Alright, create credentials, Lego. And I'll just do random password. Okay, that's fine. So this means that we can use the Expo. Guys, yes, yes. Let's go. Let me just find the file system. So it's just saying that this is deprecated. So let me figure out import. Start as file system dashboard. Okay, nice. This is some nice stuff right here. Right, so now we can actually get into starting the web app. So what do we, I left you guys off with the, hold on. Oh, I left you guys off with getting the IP address, so I don't think we need the IP address actually. But no, we will. Okay. So we're back in dashboard, and we're gonna now look at the web server. So when you press the go online button, we want to start the actual web server. So we have to. So we're first going to get the IP address, and we're going to need to find a package for that. Let me see this. So React native get local IP address. React native network info. Okay. Alright, so that's just an extra package. So we'll do npm install react native network info save. Let me just write this down so I can add that to the readme later. So I'm glad that we did that. That was something else. Oh my god, I'm really sorry. I've been in warming. Oh my god, I didn't change it back to desktop. Oh no. What have I done? Alright, well, all I think that we did since I changed it was... Oh, was I you know what I did? I just added the line to the description, but I never changed it back. But we've just been testing it. The thing that we did change was in account.js, we just have to say read data, then global.pw equals this, add this line here. And because we didn't set it, it wasn't able to encrypt anything. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. I'm really sorry about that. Yeah. Okay. Whew. All right. Alright, so we'll just be doing this line, we'll be using that line there, and we'll just see it hasn't installed yet. Oh god. So I think it's actually the first night of Hanukkah, when the sun goes down. So if you celebrate Hanukkah, happy Hanukkah. It's nice because you guys actually get the break to align with Hanukkah. Usually, well, this probably happened before, but usually Hanukkah is like in the middle of December and we're still at school, so it's kind of unfair. But it is during break this time, which is nice. Alright. Did it install or... So is React, is it installed? Let me see. So what is it? React Native network info? Alright, so it's not installed. Let me just try this again. that was weird. Alright, so now that we've installed it, we want to include it. So import network info. So we're going to go ahead and say, not an account, sorry, not an account, in dashboard.js, we want to go ahead and say import, and then in curly braces, network info from react-native-network info, like so. And then in go online, so in the dashboard class and go online, say network info.get IPv4 address, because we want to have Wi-Fi as a priority. Then and IP, we'll pass it as a lambda parameter. And I guess we can log it. So console, or we can do global.ip is equal to IP address, or IP console.log IP. We want to generate a passcode because if you guys remember, the structure was there has to be a passcode to actually connect to this server. So generate the passcode, and it'll be global.passcode. I'll just copy the line here. So global.passcode is equal to math.floor of math.random times 8,999 math plus 1,000, because we want a 4-digit passcode. And then we're going to go ahead and start the web server, and we'll do that. We'll figure out how to do that in a second. And then we'll hit notify. So alert, web, connection open, at, what is it, IP address, and then new line, your passcode is passcode. And then we want to say this dot, this dot set state, and it's just going to be online true. Okay. So now we're actually going to do the web server. Alright, so I found this package here called React Native HTTP Bridge. So we're actually going to have to install this too. Alright. So it's going to be npm install, and then --save react-native-http-bridge. Let that install. Okay, like so. We're gonna have to include that. So, we actually have to link it first. We should actually link both of those packages. So because we're not on Expo anymore, it doesn't automatically link, so we have to do react-native-link, and then we're gonna do the network info first. So react-native-network-info. React-native space link. React-native-network. And then React-native space link React-native-http-bridge. Alright, so that's linked. And now we have to require that HTTP bridge. Alright, so it's not going to be included. So the way I'm thinking about doing this is I'm going to make it a variable on the dashboard. So this .http is equal to require, and then React-native-http. So now, after we've gotten the IP address, we want to start the server. So this means, I recommend watching my tutorial on creating an HTTP server, because we go into good depth with all the functionality and back end of that there. So what we'll do for now is just log request. Let's see. So, and then we want to add the offline button to stop the server. So this .http.stop. Alright, so we should just hot mode. So alright, whatever. So I guess we'll just restart the package. Yarn start reset cache. Let me actually just write that command down, because we have to also do yarn and then yarn start reset cache. So that's it, one of the commands. And now we just do this. God damn. Oh, great. So I'm actually just going to exit out of Android Studio right now. Okay, so now we'll do clear that. And then npx react native run Android. npx react dash native run Android. Okay. So let's let this load. Okay, so it saved it. That's good. And we're going to test on the line. Unhand promise rejection. Get. Oh, great. No, it's not an object. Oh, great. Alright, so apparently our network info is null, which is great. What is up with this? We have what song is playing? Droopy likes your face. Did you guys know that? Droopy. What is Droopy? Oh. Cool. I'm surprised this isn't copyrighted. What is this? Minecraft cross of lo-fi hip-hop? Ooh. Oh. Oh my god. This is legendary. I can't watch it because it's probably copyrighted. Lo-fi hip-hop with Minecraft? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I mean, Jesus. What was... let's try a different package for network. React, or let me actually just rn React Native unhandled promise rejection, and then I'll just do rn network info. Let's see. Oh, is this dry hands? 5633. It is. It's a good one. It's a good one. This is some bop. This is a bop. So I guess we have to find a different network. React native get local IP address. Okay. This isn't working. Public IP. Well, maybe because then Expo network info. Do I still have that code? I still do. Maybe if I do that, that might work. Let me hold on. Expo network info. I might have that package still installed. Expo dash, no I don't. Let me try and install it. So Expo install Expo dash network dash info. Okay. Expo blah blah blah. Let me just try it again because that worked the last one. Nope. React Native public IP. Do I care about this? No, because I don't want to do public IP because then I have to do like port forwarding and all that shit. Never push mistakes. Is that really it? Nice. No, I don't want that. Actually, well, no, I still do need the IP address because I mean, I'll try doing. Well, there was another method. Get IP address. Maybe that'll work instead of IPv4. Copy or selected. Network info. I just need to comment that. Not loading. Oh, great. This is. It's not finding RN network info. Wait, hold on a second. That's just hold on, let's take a look at this code. Networkinfo.js. Son of a bitch, it's not. Son of a bitch. RN network info, but this is. God damn it. Is there a wiki somewhere here? Or comments? Issues. link and then rebuild. Maybe I do have to. God damn it. I'll try running it in Android Studio, I guess. Let's restart Android Studio. I guess we can try that. Let's see where that gets us. Oh, let's go. This is so good. I'm pretty sure this music is the only thing keeping me sane in these videos. Like, alright, so that's all good. And let's run it. Let's see where this gets us. I actually can't run it through Android Studio because Android Studio doesn't do the yarn clear cache, so I can't do that. Let me do that. Restart the server. Alright, you know what that might be? I might have to just fully restart the server every time I install a package. Alright, loading dependency graph. Okay. That might be it then. Let's see here. Deprecate great features. Warning. No. Run with stack. Maybe I'll do dash dash stack trace dash dash. And it's not that good. Okay. I'll just try rerunning it again, whatever. Oh. Oh. Maybe. Alright, this also stops, so. Is it the same error? Failed to capture fingerprint of. Could not. This is a different error. Let's just run it again. So I guess this command just starts the server regardless, which is good, I guess. So we don't have to run the server separately ourselves. Alright, great. More. Alright, so this is the same error. I'm just gonna. Not in the mood to look at this. Facing blah blah blah. Alright, let's clean that thing again, I guess. Alright, so see Android. Greatly clean. you go back into your base directory there, because then it won't find the actual project. Okay. Maybe, I hope this works. Once I get the web server running, I'm going to be done. Well, if I get the web server running, I'm going to be done. Because life not too long. Okay, great, it's working. Okay, log in. Go online. It is still problem. Maybe I need to manually link it. Like that's honestly the only thing I know. Maybe that's the only thing that could work right now. Alright, so manually link in the library. Oh, my dog is up. Is he coming over here? Hello, doggy. Alright, Android. Alright, so Android / settings.gradle. Okay. Let's see where this is going to take us. Settings.gradle. Oh, so it wasn't actually. So let me copy this. Hold on. I'm going to put this link in the video description. React-native-network-info, and you guys can just follow along. Right, save, and I'm going to go back to the desktop, because I forgot to do that last time. So I'm just on the manually link in the library. I'm going to do Android. I'm not doing the iOS right now. I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to, well, I'm actually just going to stop this server for now. And I'm going to paste it below these right here, like so. And then in Android/build.gradle, update the build tools version. Right, so Android/build.gradle. Make sure that it is 2.2 plus, sorry, ours is 2.2 plus. Android/Gradle/wrapper, right? Gradle/wrapper, and then .properties. Alright, let's see, and it is, so it's 4.10.1, which is fine. Add the compile line to Android at build.gradle. File project. Okay, so in dependencies, let's see. Is that here? Do not place your application dependencies. They belong in the individual module build.gradle files. Maybe I don't put that here. Android app build.gradle. Oh, that has to be in here. Alright, dependencies, and I'm just going to put, nope, not there. Let's see, compile project. I'll just change the compile to implementation. Java, we're going to import this right here. We'll do that right here. And we want to add this line right here. Main React package. Alright, so comma. Alright, so now hopefully this works. So clear, and we'll just run the thing. Let's see if this works. I don't really care about that. And okay, where did the server go? Where did the server go? I have no clue where the server went. I guess it just stopped. Okay, it's something different now. Server.start. Great. Let's see if that's an issue. Alright, so this is now in HTTP bridge, if I'm correct. I don't know if it linked HTTP bridge either. Shit! It did not link HTTP bridge. So we have to manually link HTTP bridge ourselves. Great. Alright. Install, automatically link. How do you manually link? I guess I can just rerun that. So React-native link. React-native- Alright, did it do it? Not working. It did not. Why was, alright, let me just, because this is React native link not working. Try applying that fix level. Let's see. Oh, I guess I have to add it to yarn first. Okay. So let's do this. So yarn add react-native-http-bridge. Oh, great. How do I have 2,000 files to push? That's great. $23,000 files. Great. Alright, so once we add it with Yarn, we should be able to link it. Alright, that's good. Alright, once we get the once we stop getting errors, I might just stop, to be honest. I've taken up a lot of time just whining as usual. So let's link it. Alright, so hopefully this is linked. let this load. This is the 80 millionth thing that's been loading the stream. So, it didn't start the server. Why? God. Alright, it didn't start the server. Great. Alright, so I guess we have to start the server separately. Alright, so let's do that over here. Alright, so oh, great. Where's this? Alright, so another problem with this stupid same freaking thing. Why is this a problem? Why is this a problem? For God's sakes. Oh, God. Why is that natively just freaking broken? Why? Why? We'll turn this up. This is a good one too. Done. All right. Okay. It's loading. Alright, log in. Let's see, null is not an object. Alright, it's the same thing. It's not linking HTTP bridge for some reason, so I guess we have to manually link HTTP bridge, but it doesn't give us instructions, so I guess we'll just follow the same instructions that we did for network info. Okay. But we have to change everything else. So it's me.alws, okay. Alright, so let's link this manually. Alright, so in Android settings, .gradle, you want to add this, but React Native HTTP bridge. HTTP server React works. Okay. So now we have to restart this. Alright. Close that. Make sure the server is started. Alright, and then start this. Let's hope this works. Why is that 46 stuck at 46? What the hell? Alright. Oh. Ooh. It might not like what I added. It might not like that at all. It's not moving. Alright, let's see if there are any issues here. Unable to build. Oh, it worked. Look at that. We got through it. Nice. Aha. No. Wonderful. Great. Alright, yeah, you have to make sure that your the Metro server is always running, otherwise it's gonna take a shit. Reload. Yeah, it definitely didn't. Alright, let's reset all that. Weird. Settings.gradle. Delete that. Build.gradle, nothing there. Disbuild.gradle, there was something. Alright, let's see. If this React Native link isn't working. It turns out the broken version was 0.047. What? Is that Obama? Is that Obama? Is that Obama? Alright, let's install this package, I guess. npm install rnpm-d. Let me write this down as well. want to link it. So rnpm link, and it's going to be react-native-http-bridge. Something went wrong. Children of null. Oh, great. Oh. Okay, I think it's fine. Because it says it linked it with the Android, so that should work. So let's rerun that. Alright, so that's done. Oh, that's flying through it. Oh, that's a lot faster than my manual linking, which sucked. Right, so... But it doesn't seem to like it either. Oh. Hold on, let me... Hold the phone. Yeah, I know. Okay. Well, it's taking a lot longer than usual to load the packages. Alright, done. Log in. Go online. Bitch! Okay. Unfortunately, we have not done much. Yeah, there's no errors. There's no other issues here. Let's see. Doesn't seem like this package is too I don't know. Let's try doing another React Native host HTTP server. Alright, I don't want a static server because we're gonna want to send specific content. So we just did HTTP bridge. Maybe let's try this. I mean, this could work. Aha! Alright, so let's try this, in fact. Alright. So we'll stop this. Alright, let's go ahead and say, so we want to install so npm remove react-native-http-bridge, and we want to do http-server instead. Add this link to the hold on. We add this link to the file video description. Save. Back to desktop. Okay. Why is it taking so long just to remove this stupid package? Alright, good. Alright, I don't really care. So we can't do that, or... Oh, no. Alright, so I want to say, let's see, npm install save. Alright, so npm install --save react -native -http server. Okay, and do react-native link react-native -http server. Okay. So we should find this here. Alright, so let's see if it is there. It's not. Alright, so we gotta manually link it. Alright, so android.settings. Alright, so I'm just gonna follow pretty much the same thing. And then this in Android build or app.build or app/build.gradle. Oh, it did link it. What? That's weird. It did link it. I just wasn't looking up there. I guess that's just the thing. The thing itself doesn't work. Okay, and then in main application.java, do the rn http server. Okay. Main application.java. Okay. It's gonna be com.strainy. And it's going to be rn http server.rn http server. That's that. And then we need to add new rn. Alright, like that. And now we need to actually do all this shit. Alright, okay, so we're going back into the dashboard. We're going to say this.http now equals require react-native-http server. Let me just make sure this is a package. Alright, I need to make sure to uninstall HTTP bridge soon. Alright, so options. So we need to do. Alright, so their options is equal to, and then port is going to be 5500 for us, and then we'll say http.create options. And it's going to be request and send. And I'm just going to console.log the request just to see if it works. And then to stop a server, it is just the same thing. Okay. I don't care there. Don't care about that. And now let's just do this, and we'll restart. We'll start the, what? Oh, no. npx react-native. Oh, no. No, why? It was working so well. Why is this command not working? Alright. Not working. This is ridiculous. Not found. What? That's loud. Shit. I guess I can start the, I'll start the server at least. And then I'll try and, shit! What changed? Why is it back to that? Oh, this is not gonna be good. This is not gonna be good if this... Oh, no. Alright, so... Oh, no. Shit. Why did it just stop working all of a sudden? That is just ridiculous. Alright, let's go. Build it. Please do go. Keep going. Alright. Face detector interface. Yeah, I'm not gonna be touching that. That would be a nightmare. Oh my god, please. Please. What is taking this so long? There's nothing loading. This is fake news. Alright, great. Android Studio is ready to update. Woohoo! Why is that? Why? God damn it. It was working. Okay. So I guess I can't do compile. Where is that? I don't even know where that is. It's in build.gradle, I think. Yeah, build.gradle. So this isn't compile, it's implementation. How do I refresh? Sync with file system. And then now let me just run this. Please just work. Please. Just for the love of... I can't. Just run. Oh my god. I'm whining like a little baby. Oh great. Great, I don't care. Why? Why does run Android just not work? device, cd. I'm in the right directory, right? Let me just try and clean it. It says you should be able to. I'm sorry if you have headphones in. I would like to apologize for that. Why? What? This just doesn't work. I'm in the React Native project folder. This just doesn't. It's just a. Oh my god! Do I have to upgrade it? Why does it not work like that? Maybe I have to install React Native CLI. That might do it. Alright, let's just wait. But we did get through a lot. I did say we weren't going to be doing much coding and not. Because what we mainly did was eject the app. And, alright, whatever, I don't care. Alright, so I have to install React Native CLI. So we can install -g React -native -CLI. Let that install. Alright, I guess it exists. Alright, so React-native-CLI run Android. Alright, npx React-native-CLI run -Android. Did that just work? It worked. How did that work? How did that work? What? Oh. You know what's wrong again? Metro just fucking config. Son of a. Why? Why? Why, Mr. Anderson? Just why is it built broken? I don't understand this. How has this not been fixed? Why, Mr. Anderson? Why do you persist? Why? I don't understand why this is still a problem. Like, it just doesn't work. Build failed. I guess CLI doesn't work. npx react-native run-android. I'm getting the same shit. But the following modules are linked manually. How broken is this? So I have to unlink all of these projects right here. Are you serious? Auto linking. Oh, are you kidding me? Let me actually just stop this for now. So let's see what I've done. See, even though I don't understand why do I have to unlink this? Shut up, Visual Studio Code. I get that a build file was modified. Please stop. Alright, so let's restart the server. Okay, that's loaded. Run this. Installing the app. Frick! Oh my god, why? Could not resolve Android X. Why do you just new errors popping, and none of them are my fault? Like, I'm just using pre-built shit. I don't know why I'm running into this many errors. Like, why is... What the heck? Like, this should not be this common. Like, determine the dependencies of task. Failed to install the app. Yes, I have that. Android X. What is Android X? Configure project. Deprecated Gradle features for using this. Is it this? I mean, let's see. So suppress this warning. Build.gradle file. Build tools version. It's ignored as Alright, that's okay. But now let me hold on a second. How old is this? 3 years? Frick. That's not good. That is not good. Alright, we haven't done... I'm not gonna do this. I mean, yeah, we've been going for over 2 hours. This is actually the longest stream I've ever done. Yeah, I'm not gonna do this now. This is... I've just been running into dead ends, so I'll figure it out, and if I figure it out by tonight, I'll go live tonight. Won't be likely, but probably tomorrow. So yeah, I will hopefully that works out, and I have to push 155 files. Let me just delete all my terminals. And, what happened? Uh-oh, our Visual Studio Code froze. Oh no. Okay, let's see what's wrong. Visual Studio Code, end task. Just kill it. I swear to God, if this didn't save. Okay, it didn't. Alright, so yeah, I will, what was this, episode, 6? 7? I don't know. Yeah, 6. Alright, I'll see you guys whenever I go live next, but I will likely have the, issue resolved by then, so, yeah, that's going to be interesting to look for. So, yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.